Do I dare? Good doggies. You gonna look in the camera? That's a good boy, Mr. Oscar. And then Mr. Bailey. He's a good boy. Good. Then we have Goldie. Look in the camera. She's a good girl. And then Legally. She's very good. Goldie, you got yours. Quincy. Hold on. Macaroni, look in the camera. Good boy. Finnegan, he's a good boy. Look how handsome he is. Oh, wait. Good boy. Miss Casadilla. She's a good girl, too. All right. There we go. Good doggies. So good. So good. Grovier, you want yours? Yes, sir. Okay.